Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect TikTok with Whop. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and connect TikTok with Whop because one of the communities that you're going to join gives you some features that are on TikTok. How do you actually go ahead and connect both your accounts together? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Whop. Then on the bottom left hand corner, you want to click on your profile icon. Next, you want to go ahead and click on connected accounts. And then you want to go ahead and click on TikTok. Once you click on TikTok, there should be an on-screen prompt to go ahead and log into TikTok if you're not already logged in. But once you log into TikTok, go ahead and click on the authorization button to connect TikTok with Whop. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect TikTok with Whop. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.